Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So gold actually just kept on posting down hard at the FOMC news today. Now, this morning I was watching this structure right here. I said if it breaks above there, then it likely really is going up for a wave A. Wasn't able to break above structure. That should have been our first clue. Now, I was thinking that this over here was an A, B, C, D, E, but it actually could just be a contracting A, B, C, and then this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4. Maybe we're pushing down for like a wave 5, which would be the final wave. The trend is down on the higher time frames, based on structure and based on market flow. So that's why I've been recommending shorts to everybody in my members group. And like I said this morning, if it breaks structure, I'd be happy to start recommending longs, but it never was able to break and hold above structure. So for now, we are definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend until we do get that significant break of structure that we're looking for. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.